Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by confirming the device is unlocked and updated. This avoids interruptions later. Open Settings, then tap Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing depending on your device. If Screen Time is locked, make sure you have the passcode. Otherwise, proceed without delay. You do this because removing data safely requires active access to the feature. Once the screen shows the Screen Time summary, pause and review active limits and app lists so you know what will be removed next. You now remove the constraints and data that Screen Time uses. First, turn off app limits and downtime one by one so apps regain full access. Next, clear usage data and related entries like Siri and search under the same menu. This deletes historical tracking. Make sure to disable share across devices if it's active, otherwise data may repopulate from another device. Once done, double-check the list of restricted apps and timers. This prevents residual settings from persisting after deletion. Finally, you turn off Screen Time completely and confirm with the passcode when prompted. This removes the core service and most saved settings. After turning it off, restart the device to clear caches that might recreate entries. Once rebooted, open Settings to verify usage and limits are gone. If something went wrong, try resetting the Screen Time passcode through the account recovery flow, then repeat the disable steps. This often fixes blocks caused by unknown or synced passcodes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.